Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave those comments down below. What's good, you guys? This is Marcus. As promised, I am back with another video. This is actually part 2 of my tutorial. The first part was basically me showing my deep condition, my prep before I do the style. I gave the recipe away for my liquid gold mixture, so if you haven't watched that video, go watch that video as well. In this video, this is going to be basically a voiceover, but I'm not going to talk the whole entire time. I'm just going to do a style on my hair. I basically freestyled for you guys because I knew that I wanted the back part in 2-strand twist, but I wasn't exactly sure how I was going to do the top part. I knew that I wanted to style it some type of way, but I just didn't know how, and I basically just freestyled on this video for you guys, and I hope you really enjoy. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I'm trying to get up to 100 subscribers, man. I know y'all got me. I know MTG gang got me. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do my first Q&A. So y'all make sure y'all press that like button. Also comment, holla at your boy. Let me know that you're watching. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know what you would like to see next. Give me some ideas. Again, thank you guys, and don't forget to share this video as well. So right here, you guys, I'm just using my Dread crochet needle to just get some of those loose strands back in my dread. That's all. After I apply the product, I take my comb and I comb it through my roots before I start twisting. Also, you guys, during this tutorial, I'll be showing you plenty of shortcuts, especially to the ones that style their own hair. These type of shortcuts are really good for you guys. One in which I'm demonstrating right now. I have paired 2 dreads together that I know that I want to form my 2-strand twist with. So as I'm retwisting one at the root, I basically hold the other one in place with the finger from my other hand. And once I retwist that one, I'll basically do the same thing, and once they're both retwisted at the root, I'll go ahead and do my 2-strand twist. I'll combine them both together. It cuts down on a lot of time. It's really quick because you don't have to worry about adding clips in your hair and taking them out. I slowed this part down so you can really see what I'm doing with what I explained to you about the shortcut without having to use the clips. And you guys, on the bottle is just water mixed with just a little bit of the alpha G that was left in there. I do like to spritz my roots and make it a lot easier when it comes to me styling my own dreads. So right here, I kind of slowed it down and was trying to get a close-up so that you all could see what I was doing here. I am literally doing crisscross. Literally, I'm doing crisscross as I'm basically doing a 2-strand twist. It's very simple. Anybody can do this. Alright, MTG gang, remember when I told y'all I had some treats for y'all? I had some shortcuts. This is also another thing I wanted to point out, which I'm pretty sure y'all are paying attention. Y'all haven't missed it. Now that I'm up at the top of my head, I am literally doing my retwist while I'm styling. So each individual dread that I'm going to add to the style, I twist at the roots first, still using my product. And then once I'm done doing my retwist from the root, I add it in the style. This just cuts down on so much time, especially for the ones like me who style our own dreads. This style is literally the crisscross motion while you're twisting. You're basically doing a 2-strand twist while you're crisscrossing. Very simple. Alright, you guys, that's how the style turned out. Got the 2-strand twist in the back, got the barrel rolls at the top with the little bun, and yeah, it's complete. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, comment down below, press that like button, and share so that way I can keep bringing you content like this. I holla.